What's up, guys? Will H, and today we are doing the final follow-up on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, this is about to go in the box, be sent that back in for the trade-in of $1,000 towards the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So, I've had this, I don't know if I got it at lunch, but I've had it a long time. I initially traded in my Google Pixel 7 Pro for this, and they were supposed to give me $400 towards this device. I got an email saying that it wasn't as I listed it to be. They had scratches and stuff, so I didn't get the $400 off. I ended up paying the $1,300 for this device flat out. So $1,000 that they're giving me, I guess that's fair. I don't know, but it's going because I fell in love with the Z Fold 7, and this is going back in. I said I wasn't going to buy any more of their phones, but after I put my hands on the Z Fold 7, I kind of lied to myself. So $1,000, even though I paid the full price for it. But this phone has been great, man. That's what I want to talk about, my experience with this device since I've had it. And one of the first things I liked about it was this big 6.9-inch display here. It's a dynamic AMOLED 2x display. It's just a beautiful display for watching content on, movies, videos, doing your social media, looking at your personal photos and videos. This has been great. Strolling around, you guys can see the colors here are very vibrant. I don't have a bunch of colors on here, but the colors that are on here are being represented well. You can see the blacks, the yellows, and the different colors there. This is just a beautiful display, and it goes edge to edge. Samsung makes some great displays. So the next thing that I like about this device is the S Pen. Now, a lot of people buy this device and they don't use the S Pen or don't utilize the S Pen, where I am one who would use the S Pen. I would use this to jot down video ideas or take notes about things that I think about that I want to remember. And then I would just always be using the S Pen. Whether I was being productive with this, trying to copy and paste something instead of using my fingers, I would do that. Or if I was sitting waiting on a doctor's appointment or waiting somewhere, I would take out and use the Pinup app and do a little doodling and coloring. Yes, your boy did a little coloring. So the S Pen was always there, even though they took away some of the features. I always use it, and that's going to be something that I miss about the not having the S Pen. So next, the next thing that I like about this is the battery life. I had great battery life out of this. Rarely had to worry about it running out of battery or charging it. Battery life, I get 6 to 8 hours easily out of this on screen time, and it was just a battery beast for me. So battery life was the next thing that I liked about it. So the next thing was the cameras. So this has 200 megapixel camera on it, and it took some great photos, personal photos, and photos that I would take to share on YouTube. The cameras were great on this. I also shot a lot of YouTube videos for my channel with this device, and they always came out great, man. So great zoom capability. The cameras were definitely dope on here for me. A lot of people didn't particularly like the cameras on this, but I always thought they were great, and the video capability was great as well. So, and the last thing that I liked about this device was the performance. Get back in here. This has the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and this is a 512 gigabyte storage device here. And performance has been great. I haven't had any hiccups, anything going wrong with it, apps crashing, nothing like that. If you want to play games, you can play your games, do all of your social media, edit videos, photos. The processor was great on here, and you could throw anything at it, and it handled it fine. It's at least for my experience with the device. So I didn't make a lot of videos about it because I was always using it, and it's been a great device for me. So I kind of feel like at some point I may want to pick this back up. Not sure right now, but this has been a great device for me, and it's time for it to change address and put it in the box and let it ride out. So This is the last video from the about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra on my channel. It's in the book. It's in the box. It's gone. Will H. I'm out.